Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. In this video, I'm going to talk about the S&P E-mini day trading patterns that you could look for every day in the market to make you a better day trader. I'm going to show you how to potentially spot bottom. So make sure you guys watch the video. If you guys want to help support my channel, go to my website, daytradingfearless.com, or there's a link down below. You can either hire me as a coach for learning how to day trade the stock market, S&P E-mini futures, things like that. And I also have my weekly S&P E-mini weekly trade zone. So links down below, but let's jump right into this video. So how could we look for day trading patterns in the S&P E-mini futures? Well, one of the ways I like to do it is on a 1 minute time frame, right? And what we're going to look at is spotting lower highs and lower lows, and then where the market potentially could bottom out, okay? And see that reversal on where we start to make higher highs and higher lows. So as you could see on this chart, we made a high, a low, a lower high, okay? But the way this works is when we take out this low right here, when this price action takes out this low, then this actually becomes a lower high, okay? So what happens is we have a high, a low, a lower high, but again, this isn't confirmed until we take out its previous low. So we then see price kind of fall. We then have a little bit of a bounce, right? Okay. And then when price takes out this low, we roll back over. Then this becomes a lower high. And then we start to fall, kind of make a base. We rally. Okay. This again is our kind of line in the sand that if we make a lower high, or sorry, a lower low, then this will become our lower high. And we could see it happens here. We rally, kind of roll back over. We take out these this low right here, lower high. Again, we make a low. Okay, we rally. Okay, we still haven't taken out this prior high yet. Okay, so then what happens is we rally, we roll back over. But as you could see, this is kind of like just a bounce. And then we roll back over. But as you could see, it's a higher low. So now the minute we take out this high right here, okay, we will see this entire trend reverse, because the minute price takes out right here, this high right here, takes out those prior highs, this now becomes a higher low. We have a low, a higher low, higher high. We pull back. The minute this high gets taken out right here, okay, this now becomes a new higher low, right? So price takes it out right there, and then we rally, we pull back, okay? And then the minute we take out these highs right here, okay, this now becomes a higher low, and so on. And look at this. We make a high, we pull back. Now, we took out this low right here. So now we're in a downtrend, but it's a short-lived downtrend, because what happens is we actually make a new high. Okay, so anything above here would be your exit if you're looking for a low. Now, I don't recommend going short at the break. What I recommend is a pullback. Okay, so maybe as we pull back 50%, go short, and then look for a continuation like this all the way down lower. Also, one of the things is you have these bigger trends right down, but then you have all these little micro trends. And you could see right here, right? Within this pullback, we actually have a low, a high, a higher low, right? A higher high, and then a higher low, or sorry, a lower low. And so as we're trending lower, guess what happens? We actually take out these prior highs right here on this price action. We pull back, and then when that gets taken out, we actually have a higher low, right? We rally up to a high, we pull back. Price needs to break below this to break the trend. But guess what? Price pulls back, never takes out that prior low, reverses. Okay, and when we take out the highs right here, then this becomes our swing low, right? And then we rally here, pull back, make new highs, and then this becomes our new swing low. Okay, and so what happens is you have what I like to call macro and micro trends. This would be more of a macro trend. These little trends within a pullback become more of a micro trend. And a lot of times you could notice bottoms, and what'll happen is they'll start on the micro and then they lead into the bigger macro side of it, and then it starts to expand from there. So there's a lot of things that you could kind of take away. This on any time frame, any stock, a chart is a chart. It doesn't matter if you're looking at the S&P Emini 500 or if you're looking at just regular stocks. So make sure you guys kind of understand that you could go to a bigger time frame and see these same exact patterns. Okay, they're just going to be wider apart, right? Let's pull up a 5-minute. Here we go. We make a low, a high, right? Pull back, a higher low, and then guess what? When that gets taken out, we make a higher low, right? And then it just keeps going from here, right? Price breaks above, makes a high, pull back, right? When price pulls back here, this is a higher low, and so on. And look at this. You could just ride this all the way up. And as for entries, I would probably say, hey, look for pullbacks to be able to enter, right? Maybe a half back pullback, meaning when we make a new high, if we pull back from this low, grab a fib. That could be your entry to ride it for the next leg higher. So I hope this video helps. Again, you could trade this on any stock in the stock market, Forex, S&P E-mini futures, anything like that. But if you guys like this video, again, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. But as always, thank you for watching.